Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the farmlands of Mexico, where today I'm on the 2020 Ducati Streetfighter. Wagner, she's on the 2018 BMW S1000R. And today we have a smackdown for you. We're going head to head with some roll-on drag races. Now, here are the rules. Pretty simple. We're gonna find a couple straightaways here in Mexico. And we're gonna do 3 roll-ons for you guys. The first roll-on we're gonna do is from 30 miles an hour in 2nd gear. And we're gonna go up to 100 miles an hour and we'll see who wins. Then we're gonna do a second roll-on from 40 miles an hour in 3rd gear to 120 miles an hour and see who wins. And then we're gonna do a 3rd and final roll-on, 3rd gear at 60 miles an hour to top speed. You ready, babe? Well, sure. Obviously not right now, but you ready to roll?
Ready.
Ready. All right, well, let's find our little drag strip, and then we'll be back with our first 30 mile an hour roll on to 100 miles an hour. All right, guys, so we are in 2nd gear, 30 miles an hour. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'll count to 3. On 3 we go. 1, 2, 3.
That wasn't fair.
That was pretty quick.
Wow.
All right, so now we're in 3rd gear and we're gonna go 40 miles an hour right here.
Hold on, let me scoot up.
And we're gonna go 120 miles an hour on 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, she got me out of the gate. Oh, babe, you got me out of the gate, and to 120, you actually got me.
No, that's 1,000. Who would have thought?
Now, you guys know I gave her a little jump.
Oh, come on. No, I just got you out of the gate. Come on, let me have it.
You did. All right, so now we're down to our final one. All right, 30 miles an hour, or 50 miles an hour.
Let's do 60. Can we do 60?
All right, ready? All right.
60 now.
So, 3rd gear, 60 miles an hour, top speed, on 3, 1, 2, 3. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
What's your top speed?
180 miles an hour, top speed, and no bugs on the. I got a pretty decent bug on my helmet. That was, whew, talk about hanging on, babe.
164.
It was at. It would bounce off 179 and 180 and it would hit the rev limiter and hit the rev limiter.
Yeah. Woo.
Well, we went so fast. We're at Stevens Bridge Road in Dixon now.
No, it's El Stephen Bridge Road in Mexico.
We went to a time zone. We're back in Dixon.
We teleported.
Hyperspace. We teleported hyperspace and without fail, the Ducati's fuel lights on.
I have half a tank.
Well, Sorry I had to put such a smackdown on you.
I'm gonna come back with the Aprilia.
Listen, we're gonna do an Aprilia roll-on. We're gonna do the same exact one, and but this time you owe me sushi because I got you 2 out of 3.
Oh, come on.
It was your turn anyways.
Aprilia, though, with the...
On the Aprilia? All right.
Really
Well, let's do it. Let's we have a car behind us, so let's get rolling. But thanks for sticking around for a little fun top speed video. We've been trying to bring it to you guys. Got him!
Unbelievable.
Wait! Comment down below! Where am I? Got him! Got him! Huge shout out to 650E for the smackdowns. Although we're not smackdowners usually.
Every once in a while, they get a little... It's very fitting that you bet on Sushi Day.
I'll be honest, babe. Honestly, that little BMW's got some legs on it. I think if you were, my mirror's folded in. If you didn't have that rev limiter at what is it 169?
I'm not sure.
It was about 170 that I started. I wasn't gaining on you very much, but it wasn't until about 170 that I kind of started to walk on you a little bit. But I think that's when you were at the limiter. So
yeah, it's very fitting we're betting for sushi. That was pretty squiddy.
Babe, you're a fast girl.
Whee!
You're fast for a girl.
Hey, what is that supposed to mean?
I don't know.
Ride like a girl.
Listen, I think you're faster than Snickers.
Poor Neil.
Sorry, Neil. I just had to throw it out there. But thank you guys for sticking around. Let's get back home. We had a great ride today. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.